Hello everyone, we are at ICM 2025 in Istanbul and I'm with Alisina Shahi. I want to say welcome.
Thank you very much. Thanks for having me here. And I'm very proud to be part of the ICM 2025.
Okay, thank you so much. So could you please introduce yourself for our audience?
Sure. My name is Alisina Shahi. I'm an assistant professor of orthopedic surgery at University of Texas Health Science Center at Houston in Texas, United States.
So we are here because we discuss about the infection, right? So that's why I wonder, why does the infection matters for you?
That's a great question. Periprosthetic joint infection is arguably the most dreaded complication after total hip and knee arthroplasty. It imposes a huge burden both on the healthcare system and on the patients. And unfortunately, we are far from perfect in diagnosing it, in managing it, and in providing good outcomes for our patients. So I think ICM matters, and in particularly attention to periprosthetic joint infection matters because we have a lot to do to conquer this huge problem.
So I want to focus on ICM. So what ICM means to you and what's your feeling about ICM?
So this is the third generation of ICM that I've been involved with. And one of the most important things about it is there is a lot of areas in the literature where there's paucity of evidence. And surgeons are often left with no good answer to know how to manage patients in very difficult situations. And ICM is trying to fill that gap, putting all these delegates and experts from across the globe together under one roof to come up with conclusions for very difficult and challenging questions.
When you compare to our previous ICM, what is the difference of ICM 2025?
I think the first thing that comes to mind is that this time it's much bigger, and like anything else, with every version we're seeing improvements, and the location in particular is exciting because it's where the board meets, so we could have a lot of delegates from across the globe. And obviously the number of delegates are growing, as mentioned earlier, and it's amazing to me to see the collaborations between delegates from different parts of the world and how we're all facing the same problem and we're all trying to solve those problems. And the camaraderie and teamwork is something that I really cherish, and I think ICM is the glue that bonds all these together.
As a final question, is there anything you want to say?
I would like to thank the organizers of this meeting because I think they went above and beyond and did an exceptional job for making everything move so smoothly. And this meeting, again, as I said, was the best version of ICM yet, and I'm excited to see the coming versions of the ICM.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.